So we just uncovered some important documents over here. Weighed last, weighing in at 1,320 kgs. It is not from Eastern Cape, it is obviously from GP, from Gangster's Paradise. Coming off the truck, bonnet materials, stone chips, front grille missing, water damage, personal items in unit, 2 center caps in boot. Basically it's a hawk, but we're gonna try our best. Strictly track, mate, strictly track. Plan on the doors here, probably take the windows out and put perspex and cut out the middle section and save a whole bunch of weight there. Big kgs, mate, big. Excuse the Tony Kart frame over here, coming soon. And this is obviously the petrol tank for the PRIMERA. We're going to be reusing that, cleaning it up of course, and same as the radiator. Going to be reusing that also. Shout out to the E30 gang. Super clean, super white. What more? Good one. Shout out Rimrod. Shout out to Bolly, Skabanga, Wavy Genesis, HO Builds head office. Okay, yeah, we have an SR20 DE Nissan. Thank God for the people that have put the rags and all of that stuff in, protecting all the holes from ants and spiders and rats and birds. The gearbox is still intact with the engine. Obviously we're going to be taking that off and attaching it to the engine stand. Everything is still intact and normal standard. As you can see, all the spark plugs seem to be still there intact. Obviously we're going to be changing all of that. Lots of cleaning to be done. Yeah, very hawk. Here is the rest of the car. So as you can see, a lot more of the car now. Dash is still intact there. Obviously the roll cage is here, needs to get finished with the 2 back beams. But yeah, hopefully this car will be up and running very soon in your neighborhood. These tubs have been cut already. The previous owner wanted to run some very big wheels. So yeah, obviously it's not really going to affect us. Done and dusted, mate. and dusted, mate.